Okay, so how do you step into clarity in your online business? We're going to talk about that today. What exactly you need to do and how you can do that. Hello, if we haven't met before, my name is Michele and I am a certified online business manager, and I kindly kick digital CEOs out of the back office so they can focus on more sales, more revenue, and my very favorite, more impact. Okay, so what do you need to do to actually step into clarity? And what I mean by step into clarity is getting clear on your actual topic or the thing that you love to talk about, but you don't realize that you love to talk about it. So, this is one of the things that can be so hard because I'm not sure who said it, but it's really hard to read the label from inside the bottle. And sometimes you need to have somebody else to guide you through that in order to figure it out. Or you just need to sit down and actually pay attention to the things that people are asking you about. So, what is your one thing? So, instead of starting and stopping or trying to do too many things, what is your one thing that you could focus on to actually make your business easy and to make things come easy to you? And it's also just getting clear then, once you know what is easy for you or you're focused on one thing, like what is that next action to create an offer? So, you need to have the idea. It needs to be something that people want and actually need and that you feel comfortable and confident about talking about. Also you need to understand, like, when you're doing this, to not get discouraged. That if you could get one person, that's great. That's a perfect place to start. And sales and clients and offers, it's really just a numbers game. That's the only thing it is just making sure that you talk to enough people to be able to find the ones that actually resonate with your message and your offer and what you have. And it's getting clear on your path when you start to stray off of it. So you're creating that clear path of where you need to go in your business. And then you can tell when you start to get off track a little bit and you need to come back and step back into that clarity. And it's just gaining that confidence and belief in yourself, because you can do this. You absolutely can do this. So the reason why this stepping into clarity came up for me today, it is one of the conversations I just had with one of my clients on a clarity breakthrough. So she's been in business for the last few years, and she likes to talk about simple living and things along that lines, and just has been going back and forth with what she can offer and what she's good at, and she has so many things, and just all the ideas and the list the ideas of all the things that she could do and all the things that she could offer. But what was happening is she wasn't actually stepping into her clarity. She wasn't actually looking at what she offers or what she loves to do, and she wasn't actually looking at what people were asking her for. So what happens is, that is the intersection for your clarity at that point, was when she actually figured out what it was that people asked her about and what it was that she truly loved doing. That was her intersection in the clarity that she needed in her offer. So once that became clear, everything else became so simple for her. Her offer became easy to create. She knew exactly what the next actions were that she needed to take, and the few that she wasn't sure were all the places that I was able to help her fill in. So it's really simple and easy in your business when you figure out what you want to offer and what you want to talk about and what you feel confident in, and you're not having that self-doubt in there. Then all the other pieces just seem to fall into place seamlessly without much thought or effort on your part. And what I mean by, you're still putting in the action, but the effort of coming up with the ideas and having all those ideas come into your brain repeatedly, seem to go away when you actually step into the clarity in your online business. Thank you. I hope you found this video beneficial, and I look forward to seeing you next week, and I appreciate you.